Hi, I'm Jeremy Clark, professional hairstylist and salon owner, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to restore brittle and dry hair. There can be several causes for brittle hair, dry hair, one of them being chemical processing, if you do highlighting, color. Also, any kind of thermal styling that you do, blow drying, flat ironing, things like this. And also just, it's natural for the hair to start to get dry if it needs a trim. If your hair has become dry and damaged on the ends, one of the best things that you can do is use the proper products. And you want to use something that will strengthen your hair and also moisturize your hair. I like to use the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Shampoo because it has 3 nutritive oils which will help moisturize the hair, and it also has vitamins which will help replenish and strengthen those dry ends. What happens when hair gets dry is you start to get split ends, the ends get really frayed, and the color can actually become quite dull. If you do any sort of chemical processing, if you color your hair, the color can actually start to strip out due to the damage. If you have fine hair, like Krissa here, fine hair is very fragile and very susceptible to damage over time. And so you really want to be careful with making sure you use the proper styling products, and also you want to use a deep conditioner from time to time. One thing you really want to be aware of, a lot of products have protein or keratin in them, and it's in the product to strengthen the hair. The problem is that protein is only meant to be used once in a while, maybe once a week if your hair is really damaged, but preferably only once a month. And the reason why is protein will strengthen the hair so much that it can become brittle and actually break easier. So you want to be sure to be using moisturizing conditioners rather than protein conditioners. So there you go, that's how to restore brittle and dry hair. I'm Jeremy Clark, thanks for watching.